Welcome back to Grouse 4x4, and as you can see, we are out here in the bush. So all the repairs are done on the car, and what we're going to do is we're just doing a test run at Yalwal at the playground. So this is pretty much my local. We're going to be running along Powerlines section, as you can probably see above me, and then we're going to go head over to a cool little rock garden and play around over there, just testing out the car and seeing if there's anything else that's sort of going to give way on it, because I know that's where we're at with the car and it's rather annoying. So that's why I'm out here today, and God, it feels good to be back. Hopefully, touch wood, touch wood, nothing goes wrong. It'd be nice if we have a nice smooth day, but you'll have to wait and find out. Damn, that was fun. Oh, we got it. We needed to pack a rock in the rear, so we're hitting the rear diff. Just like, it was just bottoming out on a rock, that's why I couldn't drive it. So I just moved a rock like 300 mil over and it just straight up. Actually went up it pretty well, to be honest. That was beautiful, love it. I'm so excited I'm back. Well, we are just playing around on the power line still. I was driving the opposite direction and I seen this cool little rock step and thought I'll turn around and try it. So all I'm doing is I'm trying it full low. I've got no lockers on at the moment because I was just going to test it unlocked and see my abilities, and this is how you learn. You literally drive at things, and if you need a locker, you hit the locker button. Might need lockers for this actually. So I go this first little rock ledge and there's like a big V over there. I drive the V, and then there's a couple of little lines. You just pick how you want to play really. So let's get into it. Righto, put this on, because this can get wild if you mess it up. Both lockers on, let's try this VA. Beautiful, just like that. You didn't get much of me, but you got a lot of head out the window looking around. I was just making sure the wheels are in the right spot, because if it's not in the right spot, it can be a bit of a how you go and climb. Turn those lockers off, I'll get Gemma all the way up here and then I'll attack this big ledge. Might try something cool. Yeah. Keep going. Hard right. Straighten up. Another rock step. It's decided to piss down, which is great. With ease, baby. Just walked up it. Walked it. Rocks are so much more fun than mud. Well, the skies opened up and we just had quite a bit of rain, which was rather annoying. But we're over it. This is like the rock garden on the Powerlines. I won't give away any secrets, but it's pretty easy to find. This is the far right line, and then there's like 200 meters of just rock garden and rock ledges, and then there's a couple more even further again, which get gnarlier and gnarlier as you go. So just going to play around here, start with the warm-up, and then just move our way across, doing harder and harder ones. So let's jump in and have a go. Rock gardens are so much fun. I love rocks. Rocks are fun. They're so much better than mud.
Yes, I agree.
I hate mud. Rocks are fun.
I hate mud.
It's the easier line of a lot around here. I'm just stuck up here, give me a sec. Just home traction, I don't know what I'm on, so. this little rock garden down here, absolute filthy. I don't know who's been down here with their rubbish, but there is like cartons of rubbish everywhere. It's actually disgraceful, and this is why tracks gets closed. We're just trying to have fun, but then you get people that bloody ant. Then you get people that are idiots and morons, and they don't take their rubbish with them, and then this will get closed because some idiot left their rubbish here. It's not hard just to take it home with you. Look at all of this. Look at it. There's shit everywhere. There was shit all down there around the corner. There was heaps of stuff. All because they didn't want to take the bloody rubbish home with them. It's not hard. All you gotta do is put it back in your car. If it fits in your car to get here, then it definitely fits in your car to get home. Righto, rock ledge Umo number... No, I don't know.
Rock ledge number Umo, no.
Umo, don't know. We're just gonna go for like the midline, leave the N1 for another day. Just gonna try something different. I don't know what's over at this tree, so we're just gonna try it and see what happens. Nope, don't want that either. Yeah, well, it didn't like that, so we're gonna opt for a winch. It is a bit of a tricky step. It just spins on all four. It's like a little waterfall in a way down here. Like all the water you can see just runs down this little rock step. So I'm just gonna winch to pull myself up. I tried to give her a little bump and it just came back and slapped, and I was like, that's sort of it. Well, we're just on the little exit of this track. That's the pinnacle of four driving. If your car drives something and just crawls it, you're having fun. You know you've built a cool car. I like my car. This is why I don't sell it for a patrol, for all those people out there asking me to buy a patrol. I have too much fun in this. I've got too many good memories. Righto, we're gonna put an end to that episode right there, guys. We've done a little bit of testing and the cars both ran really well, which is good. I do have a few scratches on my new long arms, so they didn't bend, which is a positive. I just got to get back into the groove of wheeling pretty much. So I just need to keep on getting in the car, keep on coming back here to Yalwal, the local, and doing some more wheeling again to get back into the groove of it. Because now that it's a ute, I haven't done much wheeling. Everything's been breaking. So let's hope we can just keep on doing little wheeling like this and keep on bringing content for you guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. These freaking flies out here, man. There's like 100 of them.